Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn to highlight Google Cloud skills, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture at the top left corner. Once on your profile, scroll down to the Skills and Endorsements section. Click on the Add a New Skill button located in this section. In the pop-up window, type Google Cloud into the Select the most relevant Google Cloud-related skills from the drop-down list. After selecting, hit the Add button to include these skills in your profile. Next, find the section labeled Featured further down your profile. Click on the plus icon in the Featured section to add relevant projects or achievements. If you have certifications related to Google Cloud, select Add and then choose Certification from the options. Fill in the details about your Google Cloud certifications, including the issuing organization and your certification number. Make sure to upload any relevant documentation or images that showcase your expertise. To ensure a professional appearance, click on Add Profile section located at the right side of your profile. Select Recommendations to request endorsements from colleagues or managers who can vouch for your Google Cloud skills. Craft a clear and concise message when asking for recommendations, highlighting your proficiency in Google Cloud. After receiving endorsements, go to your Skills and Endorsements section again. Prioritize your Google Cloud skills by clicking and dragging them to the top of your skills list. Now, return to your profile overview and ensure your profile summary reflects your experience with Google Cloud. Write a compelling summary that highlights your relevant Google Cloud projects and achievements. Finally, regularly engage with content related to Google Cloud in your feed. Share articles or insights to demonstrate your ongoing commitment to enhancing your Google Cloud skills. With these steps completed, your LinkedIn profile will effectively showcase your Google Cloud expertise to potential employers and professional connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.